So it's been a while since I bought the Xiaomi Air Purifier, and this is my thoughts after 1 month of usage of this air purifier coming up. Google, turn on the air purifier.
Okay, turn on the air purifier.
I've been using this air purifier for over 1 month, and I'm quite satisfied with the outcome that I got. But there are some good and also some bad things about this air purifier, the Xiaomi My Air Purifier. So today I'm going to talk about the good things and the bad things. The first feature that I really like is the low noise. I also have a humidifier which is very noisy, but the air purifier is very quiet. It only goes into a loud noise when I'm cooking, which means a high amount of dust and odor particles inside the room. But apart from that, it's very low in the noise. I could sleep even without any trouble. I mean, it doesn't even exist. It's on. Can you hear? No. And the second thing is it can be controlled using your phone as well as Google Assistant. Hold on. Google, turn off the air purifier.
You got it. Turn off the air purifier.
Google, turn on the air purifier. It's on. This means I can plug this into any routines that I have. For example, I've made it in a way that when I'm leaving the house, it turns off, and when I'm coming back to home, it turns on automatically. Or even I can use my phone when I'm 30 minutes before I come, I just turn it on to the maximum level, so then I get a clean air before I even come. So that's really a good thing that I really liked about this air purifier, that I can control it over the Wi-Fi, and not only over the Wi-Fi when I'm at home, but when I'm even at work, I can simply turn it on, and when I'm coming home, the room is cleaned. The third thing is the range of this air purifier. So I have this right in the center of my room, which is a few meters away from my kitchen and my bathroom. So it picks up when I'm cooking without any trouble. So when I'm cooking some Asian food, it picks up the odor like this and turns it on and clean up the room very fast. So that's one thing that I really like. But there is a downside as well. We'll come to that. So the fourth thing is that it actually reduces the amount of dust inside your room or your living room or wherever you put it, because it has 3-level filtration, and I will show you the filter in a while, and it really decreases the dust particles by sucking it into it. But there is this problem, because now we are coming to the disadvantages. Number one, it cannot detect the dust particles or any odors a bit far away from the device. That means it can only detect the particles when the sensor is close to that thing. For example, if I'm dusting in the end of the room and this dust particles never reaches the air purifier, that means this will not detect there is dust in my room. So yeah, so I sometimes find dust in several places in my room. This does not really do much. So yes, so there is that. But I think we can plug another Xiaomi device to detect the particle concentration and plug it in several places of our rooms and connect it to the MiHome app, and this will pick it up by connecting it to these different sensors. So there is that. I never tried it, but I read that it's possible. The second thing I don't like about this is I'm also using a humidifier, and now I can't use it because it detects these water particles as particles, and it turns on and sucks all the water particles, the humidity inside this air purifier. So it's like a cycle. No point. Let me show you. I have to turn off a studio light, so don't mind the low light. Well, it's not bad. So this is my air purifier, Towertronics air purifier, but now I can't use it. Let me show you why. So turning this around, and done. Do you hear it? This guy cannot stand the humidifier, so they are in a constant battle. This guy produces humidity and this guy sucks it, and this guy produces. So yeah, so if you have already a humidifier, I'm using a ultra sonic humidifier, so it won't work because the humidity acts as a particles. You can see the smoke, and this guy will automatically detect this and suck all the humidity, so it doesn't work. The third thing that I don't like about this humidifier is the sensors are wrong. Yeah, they are wrong because it has a temperature sensor and also a humidity sensor. So the temperature sensor gives 26 degrees, but I think it's way less than that because when I check the temperature, Google, what's the temperature?
The present temperature in Dusseldorf is 22.
So it's 22 now. But the problem is it shows 26 even after I left this window open for 1 hour. It does not change. And there was this time, and even when it was outside 15 degrees, it still shows 25. I don't know why. So the only two numbers that I saw in this temperature sensor is 25 and 26. I don't know why it doesn't change. And also the humidity sensor, it shows me 29% of humidity, but in the Towertronics humidifier, I can see it has 35 or maybe even sometimes 40. Even though it goes up, this guy stays in the similar range, like 59, 60, somewhere between 50 and 60. It never changes. Maybe it's exactly how it is inside my room, but I don't know. But I see there is no difference much. So I have to still check. But the temperature, yes, there is a problem. I'm giving my honest opinion as a normal consumer. Not sponsored, no biasness, just my pure personal opinion. I bought this for 145 euros from Amazon. And is it worth the price? It has reduced the dust. It definitely reduces the cooking odor, without any doubt, but I still see dust everywhere. So that means it cannot reach all the ends, or else I have to put the purifier into the maximum always, which I don't really want to do, and to waste the filter out. So if you put it in the auto mode, I don't think it will work at all. So make sure, if you really want to make the maximum out of this, to use it in the manual mode and set it into somewhere in between, at least for a couple of times during the day. If you are cooking and the kitchen is very close to the living room and the bedroom or anywhere that you usually hang around, then yes, this is a highly recommended device you can buy. Put it near the kitchen and the odor will be gone. The smells, cooking smells, everything will be gone. That's for sure. Then if you simply put it in the bedroom, I suggest you to put it in the manual mode at least for 1 hour or at least for 30 minutes. Then it will have a better impact. So this doesn't work with my humidifier. And also I have a scent diffuser, aroma diffuser. So it also doesn't work because whenever it automatically like sprays the scent, this guy, so I don't know, it's like plain, no smell at all. I don't know if it's good or bad, but yeah, that's how it is. So this is the filter, and let me show if there are any dust. If you can see, there are some dust particles absorbed. Well, not much, but yeah, some. So that means it's actually it still works. That's good. Yeah, but I expected more dust particles in here, to be honest. Or maybe it's inside the layers, because there are 3 layers. Maybe they are inside that it went through this small filter. So it could be. So yeah, so this is the filter. Now I have 72% filter left after 1 month. Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, this means I can use it for somewhere around 4 more months. So yeah, so this means you can use this filter for 6 months or 5 months when you are in the auto mode. But in the manual mode, I'm not sure, because it will keep on running and sucking on dust particles. So it means it will be around somewhere around 3 months. So yeah, let me put this back in. So this is my verdict after 1 month using Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. Do I like the purifier? Yes. Does it worth the price that I paid? Yes, because I never tried any other air purifier, to be honest. There are Philips ones and there are Honeywell ones. I never tried. So this is my first air purifier. So according to the reviews that I read, everybody suggested to buy the Xiaomi one. So I assume they also tried it, the other ones. That means they are not good as this one. Probably. So I am satisfied with this one, but I cannot say that it will suck all the dust in your room if you are in automatic mode. In the manual mode, yes, it might. But the cooking odors, the smells, it detects and it sucks off. So personally, I'm satisfied with my air purifier. It does, good boy. It does its job. I will leave the links in the description below where you can buy the air purifier, and if you don't own an air purifier, also the humidifier, just in case. If you like this video, likes. If you want more, subs. See you in the next one.